we need your help. Right now starts the kickoff of our Alaska Quilt Drive. Now what this is, we've done this every year now for the past about 4 years. Starting the 15th of June to the 15th of August, we do an Alaska Quilt Drive. What this entails is all of our customers from all of our different stores and here locally send in quilts that go up to Alaska to help those that are in need. This year we've partnered with a 501c3 nonprofit called Rural Cap that has 22 different sites throughout Alaska that helps the locals and villages with food, water, clothing, quilts, medical care, education, and we get to be a part of that this year. That being said, we have a special focus on baby and children's quilts, which we haven't done in the past. In years past, we've done just for adults, but this year, everything that gets donated is gonna be able to go up to Alaska. Now, all of that being said, we need your help. Please go into your closets, into your stashes, pull out an unfinished project, start a new one, and send in a quilt for someone in need. Up in Alaska, it's a very dear place to our hearts. We have our store up there. It is so cold. Cold that I can't even imagine here in Las Vegas. So what we are asking for are finished quilts. Now you can tie them, you can quilt them on your domestic machine, you can have them long arm quilted, whatever works as long as they come here and they're finished and ready to give out to those in need. So now is your chance. Stop what you're doing, make a plan of how you're going to send in a quilt. All of the information is going to be down in the description below, including we're also going to link a video to the last time I went to Alaska and we helped take some of the quilts out via plane to some of those villages that can only be accessed by plane or boat. So very remote places that need help and need to stay warm throughout the winter. We'll also link down in the description below all the information that you can find on our website that gives you the information about start dates, end dates, where to send things, and all kind of the nitty-gritty about this project. So everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. Please stop what you're doing. Take a second to say, hey, I'm gonna help someone in need. We get people that ask us all the time during our live shows and in store. They say, I would love to help somebody. I want to help, but I don't know how. This is your moment. You're all quilters. You know how to make a quilt. Make a quilt, send it here, and help someone in need. I'll see you soon.